Welcome to this comprehensive guide on sharing YouTube TV in different houses. As of 2025, YouTube TV is a popular streaming service that offers live TV, on-demand content, and cloud DVR. The service allows users to share their account with up to 6 family members. But there are some limitations when it comes to sharing across different households. To share YouTube TV in different houses, you need to understand the concept of location and device sharing. YouTube TV uses your location to determine which channels and content are available to you. When you sign in to YouTube TV on a device, it checks your location to ensure you are in an area where the service is available. If you try to access YouTube TV from a different location, you may be restricted from watching certain channels or content. To share YouTube TV in different houses, you can use the following methods. First, you can create a family group on Google, which allows you to share your YouTube TV account with up to 6 family members. Each family member can have their own Google account and can sign into YouTube TV on their own devices. However, all family members must be located in the same area as the primary account holder to access the full range of channels and content. Another method is to use the YouTube TV mobile app, which allows you to watch live TV and on-demand content on the go. You can download the app on your smartphone or tablet and sign in with your YouTube TV account. This way, you can watch YouTube TV from any location, as long as you have a stable internet connection. It is also important to note that YouTube TV has a home area requirement, which means that you must access the service from your designated home area at least once every 3 months. If you do not access YouTube TV from your home area, you may be restricted from watching certain channels or content. In terms of best practices, it is recommended that you only share your YouTube TV account with trusted family members and ensure that all devices are secure and protected with strong passwords. You should also regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious behavior to YouTube TV support. In conclusion, sharing YouTube TV in different houses is possible, but it requires an understanding of the service's location and device sharing policies. By creating a family group, using the YouTube TV mobile app, and following best practices, you can enjoy YouTube TV with your family members across different households. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of the service and ensure that you comply with all applicable laws and regulations.